what you did! You made a mess! Now we have to clean it up! Just like this.
The monkey practices mascara application while I gently correct her grip and angle. The monkey smiles proudly after I help her apply blush perfectly on both cheeks.
And we're just gonna go ahead and apply it nice and slowly, gently.
I teach her to add highlighter on the nose and cheekbones, and the monkey shines brightly. The monkey attempts eyeliner while I guide her hand, creating a funny but adorable moment. I show the monkey how to use a beauty blender, and she happily taps foundation on her cheeks.